So let's choose first a customization. In this case, this is a demo Airbus customization, and the aircraft type is the A350. Let's now search for the removal of the battery. Remove battery comes up with many instances, and we like to focus on the emergency battery. The search function works in priority in respect to keywords determined by the system. The first line, then the title, then the fin, the name of the manual. The search is done in respect of the task and within a task content in function of the number of occurrences of that word. We see shunt is mentioned several times. We don't want it, minus shunt. And here are the two first results that we wanted to get. We can focus even more by asking for maintenance procedures. Maintenance procedures. And here we are. These are available. First one through the compartment access door. In the job setup, you can see that you need a heavy load equipment. Whereas, on the other one, to remove exactly the same battery, the access is a bit more comfortable, so you don't need such a tooling. That's the broad navigation view, which is easier to read. You can search now within the page, like in Explorer, Ctrl F, and then just type the word. And there are two instances of this word in the task. By clicking this Browse function, you can have access to the ATA breakdown. And you can localize the task in the breakdown. Let's search now for a manifold in the same customization, A350. Many results. We want to focus on an air manifold, so add up air. And now you're only interested in a given ATA. So let's choose 38. And here are all the tasks related to maintenance for the manifold air in ATA 38. Removal, replacement. Here is the task, the job setup. You can click on the fin, which gives you access to all information related to this given fin. Next case is going to be on the 320. You choose an Airbus, customization, A320, and let's go for a repair now. There's a crack on the skin of the aircraft. You want to localize it, so that's related to the waste service panel. And now you're on the right hand of the aircraft. You're going to choose it while filtering for the SRM. So SRM and right hand. Here we are. Wider view. And now again Ctrl F, and let's search for the permanent repair within 600 flight hours. Within that part of the task, there's an NTM task, which is key to understand whether it's going to be difficult to investigate that crack. You click on it and here it is. In the same Airbus A320 customization, let's search for a given phrase. Could also be searched with a question mark or a star, just as you do for any search engine. The fault symptoms for that equipment, and they're all listed here. Let's search now for a wire. Here it is in two colors, B and R. If you open up one of them, you have all the attributes of this wire and the diagram. You click on it, it opens up, and this is a figure that is going to be open in a new tab. Here it is. If you want to search anything within that diagram, you can do it with the Ctrl F function again. 7063, a bit of zoom, and here it is. Let's search for a part number 4E4032. No results. Let's now choose an aircraft type 340 and a customization AIBF. No results. With a star, a few results appear and you can see all the search functions with the help function. In the search, if we enter PNR for a part number, the part appears and then the IPC modules. You can select one and then Ctrl F to search the part number. On the 380 demo customization, let's filter to the AMM. We open the ATA breakdown, and within the ATA breakdown, you have a search function to search within the AMM. Let's enter tow bar as a sentence. Here are the tasks containing tow bar. Let's choose one, and with the Ctrl F we can search for tow bar in the text.
I'm going to show you the last two functionalities developed for airnavX. So now we can search with these two tabs. We can search in text, which means that you will be able to search in fragments that contain text, like textual context, and you will be able also to search in the schematic wiring, which means you will be able to retrieve all ASM and AWM informations and figures. So now let me show you the fin filter. So fin filter will only retrieve metadata information. It's more important information that can appear in a title or subtitle, for example. So you will have less results with the fin filter, but it would be more relevant. Just a little precision for the time being. The fin filter, text and schematic search do not work with 3D illustrations or animations, but it will be available soon. So let's see with a use case. So we're gonna fill with 1PU1 fin, which is a wire fin. So you will see that you have two different sort of results. In text, you will have all the wire fragments with all the wire informations, electrical equipment fragments, AMM and TSM tasks. And on the other end, you will have all the ASM figures and AWM figure. So we're gonna try to open one figure so you can see. I open it, and in another tab again, so we can see where is the fin in this figure. So as usual, Control F to search the fin, which is here. So just let me zoom for you to see. So we can see the fin in the figure, and then you can click on it and retrieve all the fin informations. And that's it for the new functionalities in airnavX. Thanks and goodbye.